I've been a business strategist for 50 years, and now I'm a divorce strategist. You don't have to hide. Everybody's hiding about divorce. Either your kids have gone through a divorce, you've been through a divorce, family members have been through a divorce. It wasn't easy, but I had to go through it, so I'm a pro. I have a lot to talk about. I'm telling you, I hit a nerve on YouTube, and I want to thank everybody that got on there and had the courage to say, yeah, Rock, I've been through that. We need to hear more. You know why? Because everybody's listening quietly. But it shows up on my algorithms. And that's good. I thank you, because that gets me all pumped up about doing more, because I could talk and talk and talk about this. Let's start with a good one. Measure cash, not love. You're so emotional about a divorce, you're not thinking straight. Even if you're the one that petitioned, you're reacting to everything. But one thing you have to understand, even if you're just thinking about it, you don't even know if you can afford going through a divorce. What are the 3 top reasons? Number 1, you're broke. You got financial problems. And somebody decides, let's break up. Number 2 is infidelity. Somebody's cheating. Is it sexually? Is it emotionally? Is it whatever? Number 3 is the commitment. People fall out of love. They don't like each other anymore. I had a combination of all 3. And no one's going to save you. No one's going to save you. In the state, they're not emotional. When you go to court and trial and you go through mediation and all that, forget about the emotional bullshit. It's all about month to month. Where am I going to live? Who's going to own the house? How can I pay rent? How can I pay off a lease when you're not fucking employed? I'm not coming through any legal advice or any therapeutic advice, medical advice, nothing. I'm just a divorce strategist. I'm trying to say, be careful, be careful, be careful, because there's a lot of shenanigans out there, and it starts with the system and the attorneys. An attorney is not your friend. An attorney's not your therapist. Attorney is just there for documentation and file documents. That's it. I had to pay both attorneys on both sides, and they go, well, Rock, we're going to win this for you. There's no win. It's a lose. The hope that I have for you people, if there's anything I could hope, male or female, if there's an opportunity where before you get married, forget the prenup, because the prenup is bullshit. You're going to pay these attorneys and they bail on you. Okay? So I recommend that you have an agreement, husband and wife, future husband and wife. Sit down and say, listen, if we divorce, forget about the assets. If we divorce, this is our agreement. There'll be a flat buyout or whatever you want to say, a percentage of, and let's sign it. Get it notarized. File it for the future. Seriously. That's my recommendation. If there's no agreement before a prenup or before some type of dialogue before you get married, walk away. That's the other thing that business taught me. I thought I had everything set. I had a prenup. I went through the church. I had an intake. I had witnesses and lawyers. I thought I did everything right. The bottom line was, it didn't matter. It did not matter, because once the attorneys see your assets, they start rolling it up. Those are the signs, and those are the experiences that I've had, that I've seen. Everyone's got a story. So I just wanted to touch upon those because I got a lot more to talk about. But I want you to consider me, Rock, your divorce strategist. That's right. Male or female, doesn't matter. You want the real scoop? I'm going to give you the real scoop. And I'm not going to take sides. I want to thank everybody, the ones that had the courage to say, thank you, Rock, give us more. That's what I'm here for. Divorce strategies. Men or women. It's not legal advice. It's just my experience. I'm not going to embarrass anybody. And I'm not trying to influence anybody to go through a divorce. Not at all. I just want to say, be careful. This is why I'm saying it's so important. Number one, don't get into the law aspect of it. Do all this stuff before. This is called an exit plan. Okay. So, I'm Rock. Your divorce strategist. Pass this on. Share with people that you love and care about. Always bring joy, okay? I'll talk to you soon.